Welcome back to the IV Robotics channel. Today we have a new video to show you how you can update your developer with the new Lua script so your battery status lights change from green to yellow to red based off the battery level. So let's go ahead and take a look at developer and show you what that looks like. Here you have your developer. We're just going to plug in the battery to the back of the fuselage here. Once it's initialized, you'll see the battery status lights and then the position lights under each motor turn on. As you will already be familiar with your developer, your battery status lights are always going to be green. But now with this new code, once we go ahead and unplug this nearly fully charged battery and plug in an almost dead battery, you'll see the lights are going to be red instead of green. If we had a battery that was about halfway charged, you would see the lights yellow. But as these lights initialize here, you'll see them turn on to be red, just like so. And now we'll go ahead and show you how to actually set this up and update your developer in Mission Planner. So now we have our Windows computer in front of us. We're just going to plug in a USB to USB-C cable with the USB-C end going into the back side of developer where there is a USB-C port. You'll hear the initialization of developer in a few seconds after plugging in the USB-C cable. And then afterwards, if you haven't already, go ahead and open up Mission Planner. Once Mission Planner is open, you can go ahead and select Auto from this drop-down menu in the top right, then select Connect, and wait for Mission Planner to finish its connection.
uBlocks 1HW 00190000SW EXT Core 1.00 0FA0AE uBlocks 1HW 00190000SW EXT Core 1.00 0FA0AE.
Alright, Mission Planner is finished connecting to developer, so hit OK or the X for both of those pop-ups and get rid of them so you can navigate to the config menu up in the top left-hand corner. Then select MavFTP, File Transfer Protocol, and this is going to allow us to navigate to the APM folder, then the scripts folder, and you'll see the Lua script that's already running on your developer to tell your position lights what color they should be, as well as keeping your battery status lights green. Of course, we want the battery status lights to update from green to yellow to red based off of the battery level. So go ahead and delete the existing script and then upload the new one that you would have downloaded. And we're going to select the 4S POS lights script. Now you will use the 6S version of this script if you have a developer HP, but if you have a standard developer or developer XE, you'll be using this version. Now, depending on the time you bought developer from us, you may need to adjust the lights for your position status lights or the color of your position status lights. You could do so directly within the script using any code editor or your Notepad app. However, if you have any questions about that, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section down below or reach out to us directly and we'll be more than happy to walk you through making those changes. For us, we're just going to open up or upload this script unmodified, and now you'll be ready to go out and fly with it in the field and see what the battery status looks like going from green to yellow to red. Now that we've gone ahead and uploaded the Lua script to developer via Mission Planner, you can take developer out to the field, see what it's going to look like with your battery status lights going from green to yellow to red based off of the battery voltage or the battery status. And if you want to stay through the end of this video, you can see what that looks like as we show off a time lapse. And if nothing else, you'll catch us in the next video. Thank you.